In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix mobile view on Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. From here, you are going to open the area where your storefront design is controlled. In the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This page shows your current theme along with options to customize it. Find the option to edit your theme and open the theme editor so you can adjust how your site looks. Once the editor loads, take a moment to notice that you are usually seeing the desktop preview by default. To focus specifically on mobile, go to the top right of the screen and click the mobile icon. It looks like a small smartphone. As soon as you switch to that view, the preview window will change to a mobile-sized layout. This is important because it lets you see your store the way a customer would on a phone, including text sizes, image spacing, and how sections stack. Now you can start making changes with confidence because anything you adjust will show you the immediate impact on mobile devices. As you click around, keep your eyes on the preview on the right and use the settings panel on the left to control the selected section. Next, choose a section that often causes problems on smaller screens, such as image with text or multi-column. Click the section in the editor so its settings appear in the left sidebar. In those settings, look for a category labeled Mobile Layout. This is where Shopify themes often include mobile-specific controls. In Mobile Layout, find the option called Stack Images on Mobile and turn it on. This setting is especially helpful when multiple images or columns are trying to fit side by side on a phone. Stacking places items in a vertical layout, which prevents images from shrinking too much and keeps text and visuals readable without awkward spacing. After enabling it, review the mobile preview again and scroll a little to confirm the section looks clean and easy to read. If you have more than one section like this, repeat the same check for each one to keep your mobile experience consistent. And that is all there is to it.